Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Vision Civil Service. So as you all know, my name is Lakshita and मैं करंट अफेयर्स और पॉलिटी पढ़ाती हूँ विजन सिविल सर्विस के साथ यूट्यूब पर एंड वैसे भी ओके। एंड विजन सिविल सर्विस के बारे में बात करें तो हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट कितने सालों से IAS PCS और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी करा रहा है बच्चों को। हमारे डायरेक्टर अनिल कुमार सर इस फील्ड में बहुत ईयर्स से है एंड हमारी जितनी भी फैकल्टी है वो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड है एंड दे आर अवेलेबल फॉर यू 24/7। ओके, आपको कोई भी क्वेरीज हो आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट विज़िट कर सकते हैं या फिर आप हमारी ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट पे जाके भी विज़िट कर सकते हैं। ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट विजन सिविल सर्विस, हम आपको फ्री टू डेमो क्लासेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं बिफोर एनरोलिंग इन योर बैचेस एंड हमारे पास वीकेंड बैचेस भी अवेलेबल हैं। सेकेंडली, आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट जो कि सेक्टर 15 नोएडा है वहाँ पे भी जाके विज़िट कर सकते हैं और अपने कोर्सेज़ के बारे में एवरीथिंग उसके बारे में आप वहाँ जाके पूछ सकते हैं। एंड प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। सो लास्टली हमने MCQs डिस्कस किए थे अप टू 100 फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त। ठीक है, उसमें सारे करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हमने कवर अप किए थे ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड, जो कि आपके प्रीलिम्स पर्सपेक्टिव से बहुत अच्छे से बने हुए हैं। अब हम उसके आगे के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। आगे बढ़ने से पहले मेरा आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप प्लीज़ हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, क्योंकि हम आपके लिए डेली करंट अफेयर्स और ऐसी बहुत सारी वीडियोस लाते हैं जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम पर्सपेक्टिव से बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है। जैसे कि ये वाली वीडियो है, इसमें हम सारे करंट अफेयर्स कवर कर रहे हैं जिससे कि आपको रिविजन में आसानी रहे एंड आपके कवर्स टॉपिक सारे जल्दी कवर अप हो जाए। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन आवर सेशन। ठीक है, हमने 100 क्वेश्चन तक डिस्कस किया था। नाउ वील स्टार्ट विद 101 और आज हम 200 तक डिस्कस करेंगे एंड जो हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगी आई मीन पार्ट 3, उसमें हम बाकी के क्वेश्चंस को भी डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, question number 1. Recently, protesters of which country have announced a nationwide non-cooperation movement? Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Iran. And option D, Israel. And the correct answer is option A. Question 2. Recently, in which state the culprits of love jihad will be given life imprisonment? Option A, UP. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Rajasthan. And option D, Assam. The right answer is option D. Question number 3. Recently, where the construction of Tata Semiconductor unit started? A, Morrigan. B, Nagpur. C, Morbi. D, Jaisalmer. And the right answer is option A, Morrigan. Next, where has the two-day Akashvani Music Festival been organized? A, New Delhi. B, Gujarat. C, Indore. And D, Gwalior. The right answer is option A. Next, where has the 5th ATIGA Joint Committee been organized recently to review the Asia-India Goods Trade Agreement? A, Singapore. B, Kathmandu. C, Jakarta. And D, New Delhi. And the right answer is option C. Next, on which day Quit India Movement Day is celebrated recently? A, 8th August. B, 7th August. C, 10th August. And D, 9th August. And the correct answer is option D. Next, which of the following states of India has received the Jeevan Dan Award? A, UP. B, Andhra Pradesh. C, Sikkim. D, Haryana. And the right answer is option B. Next, who among the following has won the title of Miss Nepal World 2024? A, Ashma Kumari KC. B, Janet Yang. C, Commodore DK. D, none of the above. And the right answer is option A. Next, which of the following high courts had declared section 77A unconstitutional? A, Allahabad High Court. B, Patna High Court. C, Madras High Court. And D, Jaipur High Court. And the correct answer is option C. Next, which of the following state government will purchase all crops at MSP? A, Bihar. B, Punjab. C, Haryana. D, Uttar Pradesh. And the right answer is option C. Next, Bhadavgarh Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Odisha, B. UP, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. And the right answer is option C. Next, which of the following countries has joined the US-led United Nations Command in South Korea? A. Germany, B. France, C. Italy, and D. Spain. The right answer is option A. Next, the Prime Minister of which of the following countries had resigned recently? A. Bangladesh, B. Nepal, C. Myanmar, D. Maldives. A very easy question. And the correct answer is A. Next, in which of the following Indian cities the Guinness World Book Record has made one of the highest number of people playing Damru? A. Ujjain, B. Gwalior, C. Bhopal, D. Indore. And the correct answer is A. Next, in which of the following cities the Virasat exhibition has started? A. Srinagar, B. Dehradun, C. New Delhi, D. Jaipur. And the correct answer is option C. Next, in which of the following states the central government has announced a new peacock sanctuary? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, and D. Telangana. The correct answer is option A. Next, which of the following countries will hold the third Voice of Global South Summit? A. China, A. India, B. China, C. Russia, and D. Japan. And the correct answer is option A. Next, which of the following players has won the first gold medal in tennis at the Paris Olympic? A. Novak Djokovic, B. Andrew Rublev, C. Roger Federer, D. Carlos Alcaraz. And the correct answer is option A. Next, who among the following has been appointed as ambassador of SA20 League? A. Surya Kumar Yadav, B. Virat Kohli, C. Shikhar Dhawan, or D. Dinesh Karthik. And the correct answer is option D. Next, what is C-130J Super Hercules? A. Air-to-air beyond visual range missile, B. Nuclear ballistic submarine, C. Turboprop military transport aircraft, and D. Heavy lift helicopter. Correct answer is option A. Next, recently, which state has become the first in country to implement a disaster risk transfer parametric insurance solution DRTPS? A. Manipur, B. Assam, C. Nagaland, and D. Mizoram. Correct answer is C. Next, who among the following will be the flag bearer of India in the closing ceremony of Paris Olympics 2024? A. Vinesh Fogart, B. PV Sindhu, C. Manu Bhaker, D. PT Usha. Correct answer is option C. Next, who among the following has launched e-evidence Nyaya Setu, Nyaya Shruti, and e-Saman app? A. Rajnath Singh, B. Piyush Goyal, C. Narendra Modi, and D. Amit Shah. Correct answer is option D. Next, India at the rate 100 has been launched by whom among the following? A. Ajit Doval, B. Amit Shah, C. Piyush Goyal, D. Narendra Modi. Right answer is option C. Next, Adi Chungchangri Peacock Sanctuary is located in which state? Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, and D. Karnataka. Right answer is option D. Next, in which of the following Indian state has night curfew been imposed due to Bangladesh violence? A. West Bengal, B. Nagaland, C. Manipur, and D. Assam. The correct answer is option C. Next, President Draupadi Murmu has been awarded the highest civilian honor of which of the following countries? A. France, B. Fiji, C. Spain, and D. Germany. The right answer is option, tell me, B. Next, in which of the following state has the multilateral air exercise Tarang Shakti 2024 started? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Telangana, and D. Odisha. And the right answer is option B. Next, India Rating and Research has estimated India's GDP growth to be what percent in the financial year 2025? And the correct answer is A. Next, in which of the following cities has NCW started Digital Shakti Kendras to deal with cybercrime? A. Kolkata, B. Dehradun, C. New Delhi, and D. Jaipur. The right answer is option C. Next, which of the following countries will hold the BIMSTEC Business Summit? A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Nepal, and D. Japan. Right answer is option A. Next, which is of the following countries Denkin University has established its campus in Gift City, Gujarat? A. Japan, B. Russia, C. Australia, and D. America. The right answer is option C. Next, former batsman Graham Thorpe of which of the following countries has passed away? A. England, B. Greenland, C. New Zealand, and D. Australia. And the right answer is A. Next, which of the following state governments has formed a task force to remove encroachments in forest and Western Ghats? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, and D. Telangana. Right is B. Next, which of the following has launched the Nivahika web portal for data management? A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Guwahati, C. IIT Delhi, D. NIT Calicut. And the right answer is D. I hope आपको सेशन में मज़ा आ रहा है. Next, on which day was International Youth Day celebrated recently? A. 7th August, B. 9th August, C. 10th August, D. 12th August. And the right answer is option D. Okay. How many of the following meters did Neeraj Chopra throw in the qualifier round at the Paris Olympics? A. 90.45, B. 95.99, C. 89.34, and D. 85.65 meters. And the correct answer is C. Next, who among the following has been appointed as the new chairman of SBI? A. C.S. Shetty, B. Manoj Mittal, C. Arun Bansal, and D. Vikas Lakhera. And the correct answer is A. Next, which of the following companies topped the recently released Fortune Global 500 list? A. State Grid, B. Walmart, C. Flipkart, and D. Amazon. And the right answer is B. Next, in which of the following state is the Povotiro Wildlife Sanctuary located? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Telangana, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Assam. And the right answer is D. Okay, आगे भी करते हैं. Wrestler Vinesh Phogat has been out of the Paris Olympics due to how many grams of weight among the following? A. 100 gram, B. 50 gram, C. 50 gram, and D. 150 gram. And the right answer is option A. Next, to which of the following countries has India's fierce GI tag fig juice been exported? A. Poland, B. Italy, C. Saudi Arabia, D. France. And the right option is A. Next, who among the following has been appointed as the head of the interim government of Bangladesh? A. Sheikh Rihana, B. Mohammad Yunus, C. Khaleda Zia, and D. Mohammad Yusuf. And the right answer is B. Next, by what percentage of the following has India's renewable energy capacity grown in a decade? A. 150%, B. 28%, C. 165%, and D. 190%. And the right answer is C. Next, which of the following cities has become India's most affordable housing market? A. Mumbai, B. Ahmedabad, C. Panjim, D. Pune. And the right answer is B. Next, where among the following was the 7th meeting of IPA Advisory Council held? A. Laos, B. Nepal, C. Bhutan, and D. Singapore. And the right answer is A. Next, which countries have launched the first satellite constellation network to compete with Starlink? A. Israel, B. Russia, C. Japan, and D. China. And the right answer is D. Next, which of the following ministries has issued guidelines for the transportation of living human organ for the first time? A. Ministry of Road Transport, B. Niti Aayog, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, and D. Ministry of Health and Family Affairs. And the right answer is D. Next, Which states have approved the Prison and Contractual Service Bill? A. Bihar, B. UP, C. Maharashtra, and D. Rajasthan. Right answer is C. Next. Where among the following was the Global MedTech Conference 2024 held? A. Lucknow, B. Kanpur, C. New Delhi, and D. Mumbai. And the right answer is C. Next. Which of the following state government has approved India's third largest tiger reserve? A. Bihar, B. UP, C. Chhattisgarh, and D. Uttarakhand. And the right answer is C. Next. What is check truncation system? A. The process of transferring a physical check from the drawer to a paying bank. B. The process of stopping the physical movement of a check and using its electric image instead. C. The process of clearing a check without any security measure. And D. The process of verifying a check manually at the paying bank branch. And the correct answer is B. Next. In which of the following countries President Draupadi Murmu has addressed the International Education Conference? A. Japan, B. Germany, C. France, and D. New Zealand. And the correct answer is D. Next. On which day International Left-Handers Day was celebrated recently? A. 10th August, B. 12th August, C. 8th August, and D. 13th August. And the correct answer is D. Next. Which of the following state governments has launched the appointment portal? A. UP, B. Bihar, C. Chhattisgarh, and D. Haryana. And the correct answer is C. Next. Who among the following has taken over as the Director General of Armed Forces Medical Services? A. Arun Bansal, B. Vikas Lakhera, C. Manoj Mittal, D. Anupam Kapoor. And the correct answer is D. Next. Who has been approved by SEBI as MD and CEO of MCX? A. Sonam Sharma, B. Satish Jha, C. Praveen Rai, and D. Sadhna Saxena. And the correct answer is C. Next. Who among the following has been appointed as the first woman CEO of DBS Group? A. Tan Sun Shan, B. Bobby Roy, C. Geeta Singh, and D. Janet Yang. And the correct answer is A. Next. Which of the following countries and India have held a foreign office consultation? A. France, B. New Zealand, C. Zambia, and D. Russia. And the correct answer is C. Next. Which state government have approved a logistic policy to create 5 lakh employment opportunity? A. UP, B. Uttarakhand, C. Punjab, and D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is D. Next. Which of the following state governments has abolished the two-child policy for person contesting local body election? A. MP, B. Jharkhand, C. Andhra Pradesh, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is C. Next. Who among the following has been selected as the Indian Olympic Association for the Indian contingent for closing ceremony of Paris Olympic? A. Neeraj Chopra, B. Lakshya Sen, C. P.R. Srijish, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Next. Which of the following IITs had developed e-shoes for real-time location tracking? A. IIT Indore, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Delhi, and D. IIT Madras. And the right answer is A. Next. Recently, Swang Dao has passed away. Who among the following was he? A. Painter, B. Scientist, C. Writer, and D. Journalist. And the correct answer is B. Next. Punjab Health Center has been opened at which of the following airports? A. Delhi Airport, B. Kashmir, C. Chennai Airport, and D. Mumbai Airport. The correct answer is A. Next. Who has been appointed as a member of the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission recently? A. Harish Dudani, B. Anupam Kapoor, C. Arun Bansal, and D. Vikas Lakhera. The correct answer is A. Next. Which ministry is the nodal ministry for implementing the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 scheme, which was in the news recently? A. Ministry of Urban Development, B. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, C. Ministry of Agriculture, and D. Ministry of Rural Development. And the correct answer is B. Next. Recently, the foreign ministers of India and which country have joined inaugurated 6 community schemes: A. Singapore, B. Thailand, C. Maldives, and D. China. And the correct answer is C. Okay. Next. Recently, Vijay Kadam passed away. Who was he? Director, actor, journalist, or writer? And the correct answer is B. Okay. Recently, who has been appointed as the additional secretary in Prime Minister's office? A. Vivek Shah, B. Satish Jha, C. Amit Negi, and D. Praveen Rai. The correct answer is C. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है. प्लीज़ लाइक करते रहिए, लाइक करना मत भूलना, एंड लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब तीनों चीज़ें करिएगा. ओके, ऐसे एक और पार्ट है अभी हमारा इसके बाद भी. ठीक है, ये आपके लिए रिवीजन के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, आपको अच्छे से समझ आए जिससे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. India will open a consulate in which place recently to strengthen diplomatic relation? A. Greenland, B. Finland, C. Norway, and D. Auckland. And the right answer is D. Next. Recently, which 3 names were given to the underwater structures in the Indian Ocean? A. Ashoka, Chandragupta and Kalputra, B. Mahatma Nehru and Gandhi, C. Himalaya, Ganga and Krishna, D. Shiv, Vishnu and Brahma. And the correct answer is A. Next. In which state has country's first rice ATM been inaugurated recently? A. Odisha, B. Punjab, C. Haryana and D. UP. And the correct answer is A. Next. In which state has the Hathi app been launched recently due to reduced human-elephant conflict? A. Kerala, B. Assam, C. Tamil Nadu and D. Meghalaya. And the correct answer is B. Next. The Government of India has recently formed a 5-member committee to monitor the border of which country? A. Nepal, B. Bangladesh, C. China and D. Myanmar. And the correct answer is B. Next. UNICEF and which state government has recently partnered to involve fathers in breastfeeding? A. West Bengal, B. Odisha, C. Kerala and D. Tamil Nadu. And the correct answer is A. Next. Which medal did Indian wrestler Aman Sherawat win recently in Paris Olympic? A. Bronze, B. Silver, C. Gold and D. None of the above. What is here? And the right answer is A. Next. Which country and India have recently signed a customs cooperation agreement? A. Japan, B. Malaysia, C. Nepal and D. New Zealand. The right answer is D. Next. The US has recently released $3.5 billion for military purchases in which country? A. Israel, B. Ukraine, C. Bangladesh and D. Japan. The correct answer is A. Next. President Draupadi Murmu has recently been awarded the highest civilian honor of which country? A. New Zealand, B. Zambia, C. Malaysia and D. Timor-Leste. And the correct answer is D. Next. The Nila Kurunji plant, which was recently news, is found in which region of India? A. Ladakh, B. Western Ghats, C. Northern East and D. Rajasthan. The right answer is B. Next. Recently, the Chief Minister of which country, Abdul Hassan, has resigned? A. Bangladesh, B. Sri Lanka, C. Maldives and D. Pakistan. The correct answer is A. Recently, the book 75 Great Revolutionaries of India, written by whom, has been released? A. Dr. Bhim Singh, B. Harish Dudani, C. Arun Bansal and D. Vikas Lakhera. And the right answer is A. Next. Who has been appointed as the next Cabinet Secretary of India recently? A. Satish Jha, B. Praveen Rai, C. T.V. Somnathan and D. Manoj Sharma. The right answer is C. Next. Former CEO of which of the following companies, Suzanne Wojcicki, has passed away? A. Google, B. Instagram, C. YouTube and D. Pinterest. The correct answer is C. Next. Mount Kilimanjaro was in news recently. It is located in which country? Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania and Nigeria. And the right answer is C. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has inaugurated the IACC Centre of Excellence for MSME? A. Punjab, B. Gujarat, C. Haryana, and D. Rajasthan. And the right answer is B. Next. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri recently went on an official visit to which country? A. Maldives, B. Thailand, C. Nepal, and D. Finland. And the right answer is C. Next, who has been awarded the Olympic Order by the International Olympic Association recently? A. Abhinav Bindra, B. Manu Bhaker, C. P.T. Usha, and D. Neeraj Chopra. And the correct answer is A. Next, which of the following actor have recently been awarded the Pardo alla Carrera Award at the Locarno Film Festival 2024? A. Amitabh Bachchan, B. Shah Rukh Khan, C. Akshay Kumar, and D. Amir Khan. And the correct answer is B. Next, which position has India secured in the medal tally at the Paris Olympics recently? A. 71st, B. 45th, C. 75th, and D. 85th. And the correct answer is A. Next, who has topped the Barclays Private Clients Hurun India Most Valuable Family Business Report recently? A. Isha Ambani, B. Roshni Nadir Malhotra, C. Anant Ambani, and D. None of the above. And the answer is B. Next, recently the Divyangjan Abhiyan Dal of which ministry has hoisted the tricolour on the highest peak of Africa? A. Ministry of Defence, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Sports, and D. Niti Aayog. And the correct answer is A. Next, recently which country and India have signed a MOU for payments through UPI? A. Nepal, B. Singapore, C. Sri Lanka, and D. Maldives. And the correct answer is D. Okay. Recently, which country will construct 3 major petrol projects with the Corporation of India? A. Thailand, B. Maldives, C. Nepal, and D. Sri Lanka. And the correct answer is C. Okay. Next, in which country has the 10th bilateral Maitra Shakti military exercise started recently? A. Maldives, B. Malaysia, C. Myanmar, and D. Sri Lanka. And the correct answer is D. Okay. In which country has the world's oldest calendar been discovered recently? A. Egypt, B. Turkey, C. Iran, and D. Iraq. The right answer is B. Next, which institute topped the National Institute Ranking Framework NIRF 2024? IIT Madras, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Delhi, and D. IIT Roorkee. The correct answer is IIT Madras. ये सभी चीज़ें ना हमने अगस्त की जो हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ था 3 सेक्शंस में करंट अफेयर्स का, उसमें सारे पॉइंट्स हमने कवर अप करे हुए हैं. अगर आप देखें ना वो वाली वीडियो तो आप सारे MCQ सॉल्व कर सकते हैं बहुत ईजीली. Next question. Recently, in which city researchers have discovered anti-diabetic herb on Brahmayoni Hill? A. Shimla, B. Srinagar, C. Gaya, and D. Haridwar. The correct answer is C. Next, Syed Rafat Ahmed has recently taken oath as the 25th Chief Justice of which country? A. Bangladesh, B. Maldives, C. Thailand, and D. Malaysia. And the correct answer is A. So, with this we end today's session. आज हमने 100 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किया है एंड जब नेक्स्ट सेशन आएगा उसमें भी वापस से हम 100 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे फ्रॉम द अगस्त मंथ. ओके, आई होप आपको सारी चीज़ अच्छे से समझ आ रही हो. प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो आपके टोटल कितने क्वेश्चंस ठीक हुए. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल बिकॉज हम ये सब आपके लिए कर रहे हैं. ओके, everything is free for you on YouTube. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and we'll be bringing more such videos for you of every month. Okay, and daily current affairs also and subjects related question, objective question and topics also. Okay, thank you for watching the video and do follow our channel Vision Civil Service. And also प्लीज़ डू विजिट आवर वेबसाइट क्योंकि काफ़ी बार हम उस पर कई अपडेट्स भी देते रहते हैं अबाउट आवर बैचेस एंड अबाउट मैनी थिंग मोर. सिलेबस की भी मेरी एक वीडियो है, आप उसको भी अच्छे से देख सकते हैं। प्लस हमारी एक अलग से हमने पूरी प्लेलिस्ट बना रहे हैं फॉर पॉलिटी सब्जेक्ट, तो आप उसको भी अच्छे से देख सकते हैं। ओके, thank you for watching the video. I hope you are liking the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and we'll meet soon with the next part of this video. Thank you.